Hi guys! Good morning! It's the wedding day and as the maid of honor, ako yung unang i-hair and makeup. So, we're here at the Airbnb. Let's go! Sino yung camera ko sumusunod? Ay, tayo muna. Ayoko yung makeup na super kapal. Gusto ko yung
kapal
in what sense?
sa kamang,
Sa
sa
feature,
color.
sa color. Parang gusto ko yung ano lang, fresh lang. Parang baby pink ang spring floral.
sige. Ang ganda ng blush.
Ita. Ganda. Woo! Wala ka pa eh. Mamaya na eh.
Hello, ma'am. Ayan. Ma'am, itatanong ko lang, may makeup time ka ba ngayon?
Yung parang very fresh, like medyo soft brows, pink dominantly.
More on the pinks ka.
Tapos yung gusto ko yung parang, yung kay Bini Aya.
Ah,
Yung
okay.
sa concert, parang may konting glitter-glitter.
Ah, okay. Oo, okay.
Ang ganda ng highlight niya sa akin.
Medyo ganun.
Kaya ma'am, pa-screenshot.
Isa pa.
Pa-screenshot lang ma'am. Sige. Yan yung yan yung part na yan. Yan.
Ganda!
Yan. Yung
Medyo kita.
Ah, push. Yung, nakalang. Wow! Wow! Uy, ang ganda! Wait, like, close up mo yung mukha. Yung mata. Pituin ka sa baba, tapos tingin ka dito. Yeah. Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Ang galing mo! Ang galing mo, ganda! Ang ganda! Gawin mo nga yung mukha ni Ayin, gumagano'n-gano'n. Ang ganda, tinan mo! Tinan mo yung close-up mo. Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Tinan mo kita. Diba? Yes. Ang ganda. Yes. Ang galing. Wow. How do you feel right now?
I don't feel any pressure right now.
I know sophomore sleepovers this week, booty, face, and face. It's not. They're gonna sign.
Hey. Right. Okay, so basically, I don't know what else
Ganda.
going on between us. I felt like.
Ang cute.
Yan.
Wow.
Naman tayo. Screenshot ko na lang.
Doon kayo tumingin sa cam.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Lakad-lakad ka lang, kunwari. Mabagal lang, kunwari lang. Yan. Wait. Sige, ngiti-ngiti ka lang. Isa-screenshot ko lang. Hi! Vlog. Hello. Nagba-vlog ako eh. Ganyan.
Nagpa-vlog ka ba?
Yan na sila. Akyat na tayo.
Best wishes, congratulations.
Kain na. Ito. Sabihin mo, congrats.
Congrats.
dito. Hello. Hello, crab. Yes.
Yung likod ni Hazel medyo maano. Tawag dito. Nasa-stuck nila.
Hat? Yay! Let's go! Wow! It's cute! Wow! It's nice! Hello! Thank you for coming! Hello po!
Congrats, ate.
Congrats! Yeah.
May vlog ka. Ay, vlog hindi pa pala ako nakapag-subscribe.
Hi! Anong message mo kay ate?
Congratulations. Mag-message daw ako.
Mag-message ka mamaya. Sige, bibideo ko na lang. Daddy! Ano? Hindi ko man.
Aileen,
Po!
kasalitain mo ako ha.
Wow! It's strawberry. Thank you.
That first bite must be so good. Parang...
My name is Manoy, your singing star. Let's do this. Let's all give them a big round of applause. Take my hand, take a breath, pull me close, and take one step. Keep your eyes lined to mine, and let the music be on the night. Won't you come with me? Let's never forget to keep dancing wherever we go. And right now we are witnessing the very first dance of our couple as Mr. and Mrs. Aaron and Hazel Lynn. And now at this point, can we invite lahat ng may mga asawa to please join our couple here in front on the dance floor to have this dance with them. Come on, lahat po ng mga mag-aasawa. Don't be shy. Come on, it's
Let's go, Adela!
mga asawa po, yung bata po makakapag-cellphone po yung makakapag-iPad po yan. Halin po kayo
Let's
dito.
go!
Ah, talaga ba? Ano yan na? Dali na, please have the dance. Come on, everyone. Mga ninogs and mga ninangs, please. Join our couple.
Yes!
There you go. Come on, I love it. Come on, everyone. There you go. Meron po mag-single siya. Bakit naiingit ako?
Papa?
Kasi wet.
Kasi, ha?
Nakalagay dito.
Ano ba yan? Ba, may buko pandan ka. Ah. What?
7:45 magre-restart ang program.
Okay.
Pero,
Maganda na makeup mo. Yeah!
Father of the bride, Sir Alex. Kapatid ko, kakanta ka daw po. Request mo ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Sasamahan kita, Sir Alika.
Susunod ako! Oh! Susunod na! Susunod!
Hindi namin yan, ma'am, ha? Okay, Anea, sing a Disney song. Go.
And at last I see the light, and it's like the fog is lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is blue. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
Ganda naman ang boses. Sana pala ikaw nalang kumanta ka ng Okay, another question for the couple.
German, Dante, French, Mexico, Japanese, Oikatubusan.
Wow, galing! Mas makalimutin sa kanilang dalawa, husband or wife? Si wife. Mas makalimutin pa si wife? 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay, yes, correct! 2, 1, and go! Oh, di ba? Ang galing. And go! Oh, di ba? Para sa kanya talaga. Okay ka lang? Okay ka lang? Oh, ang galing ito. Basketball man. And go! Congratulations, you're the winner! May jowa ka na ba?
Wala.
Wala, oh. Ikaw, may jowa ka na ba? Yes. Andito, oh. Ikaw na lang panalo. Maraming salamat na po ka na doon. Message, sir. Uy, bakit ganyan yung tugtog? Nakaiyak agad, wala pa nga.
Good luck.
Ba't ganun?
Hindi ko rin kaya kayo araw-araw. Oras-oras. Lagi mabang loob. Huwag palaway. Pagpapalain ay yun. Salamat sa inyo lahat.
Masasabi ko lang po sa bagong kasal, sana lumawit ngayon yung pagsasama habang buhay at magmahal lang kayo palagi. Wala.
Mahal na mahal.
Ha?
Mahal na mahal.
Mahal na mahal ko na, alam niyo yan. Mula pagkabata hanggang ngayon kahit hindi ko kayo nakasama, hindi kayo nawawala sa aking isip. Hindi ko kayo makakalimutan. Kapag ako'y nabubuhay. Mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. Aking mga ato. Salamat po.
Hours kayo. At sana, masok mo yung record ko na married life ko inabot na 63 years. Yun lang.
China-challenge kayo ni Lolo Alex. 63 years.
Binabati ko kayong dalawa. Sana kayo ng maligaya. At kayo'y mayroong mga problema, tumawag kayo sa Diyos. Nagsabi kayo sa inyong mga magulang. At kami na mga ninong ninyo, nandito kami para kayo tumulong.
Saan mo yung karangalan ko para sa akin na magiging sa iyong kasal, hindi naman dahil bahagi ako ng isang mahalagang araw sa buhay ninyo. kundi dahil nakita ko rin ang pagmamahalan ninyo sa isa't isa. Sa ating kultura, ang pagiging ninong ay hindi lang isang titulo. Hindi lang ito pagkain dito sa paru-paro. Ito ay isang responsibilidad. At tinatanggap ko ito ng puso. Ako ay narito, hindi lamang ngayon, kundi sa bawat yugto ng ginagawa sa akin. Para gabayan, suportahan, at panalangin ko. Ang pag-aasawa, sensya na lang. May mapas, ay hindi lang, siyempre tayo pasaya. Ang panahon, na natin mapagsubok. Pero ang sikreto ng matibay sa relasyon ay hindi ang pagiging perfecto, kundi ang pagpili sa isa't isa. Kahit mahirap, kahit pagod, kahit may basta malagamit tamang komunikasyon tayo at kakayanin kami sa isa. Naway maging bukal ng inspirasyon ang inyong pagsasama sa iba at higit sa lahat, sana manatili kayo magkasama sa tuwang lungkot, sa hirap at ginhawa habang buhay. Congratulations.
Halos nasabi naman na lahat yung mga best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Pakiramdam namin ngayon ang mga ito. We're excited to see the blessings na ibibigay namin sa inyo. Kilala namin kayo, pareho kayo mabait. Halos lahat ng good traits ay nasa inyo. Excited to see the many blessings of God will give you. God bless.
Pero ako, ang wish ko sa inyong dalawa is maging masaya, maligaya, at maging puno ng biyaya yung inyong pagsasama. Siguro naman pagdating sa faith natin, wala na akong bigdadagdag pa.
Hey everyone, I am John Aaron's oldest girl cousin, who we fondly call Jam or Jumbo. Hindi ko alam bakit kasi hindi naman siya Jumbo talaga. And I am deeply honored to stand here today as one of the principal sponsors of this beautiful union. Jam, I have witnessed how unselfish and helpful and generous you are. Generous you are to your parents and to your family. And I know that you will be a good provider and a loving husband to Mersha.
Which actually, mga 5 paragraphs yung ginagawa. So, paano din naman for your guests? I-email ko na lang sa'yo yung the rest. Okay. So, first of all, congratulations to you both. And thank you for inviting me and everyone else to share in your most important day. I know how hard you both work to make this happen. Right? The past few months have been super hectic sa inyo. I'm sure that it's been a challenge. I know how much of a challenge it is. But seeing how your day turned out, I'm sure it was everything you wanted it to be and more. Okay? Yung actual start ng speech ko, dapat i-reminisce ko how Herzel and I became friends. Hindi ko actually maalala. So, hindi kami magka-section. We were in the same class once. We were not in the same clubs. Interests natin, mga 50-50 lang, right? But somehow, you were still became one of my closest friends, and you still are to this day. And I think the reason why you're one of my best friends, and why you're one of the best of friends, is because of the way you care and you show your love. Maalagain ka, puno abala if magkakasama tayo, sa totoo lang. There I say, medyo may pagka-mom friend, pero hindi naman super right? Pinaparamdam mo na you really care, especially with the small things. The way you say, kamusta ka na? Kamusta ka na? Pinapatanong ni mama. Or kumain ka na ba? Kumain ka ba? Pinapatanong ni mama. Right? Or kung free ka ba para mag-lunch kasi matagal na tayo hindi nakikita. All those little things really show me how much you care and you love us even throughout the years, even with distance. And from what I've heard, maalagain din si Aaron, right? Totoo ba? No, okay, totoo. Hindi tayo madalas makita, much less hindi pa tayo nakakapag-bonding masyado. Sakto lang. Pero sa nakikwento naman sa akin, nararamdaman ko by God's gift properly how much you are a pillar of support to her Zen and how much you understand her life goals. Sobrang laking bagay yun. Sa totoo lang. And I know you love and care for her as much as she does for you. Then there is a special warmth in the way that her Zen can just communicate how much you need her. And I also know that you're a great fur parent to Lily and Toby, kaya alam ko yung and now also to Kinay. So I know you'll always be there for her when she needs you, and I trust that you will continue to be there for her in the future. The both of you will be there for each other in the future. So I can't be happier that now my very caring and very loving friend has a very caring and very loving partner that will be with her to share this life with. I wish you all the best. Love you.
Our friendship started in high school. We bonded over similar interests, awat requirements, chikahan sa bench. Tapos ayun, namalaya na lang namin lagi na akong tambay sa kanila. Sa bahay nila, sobrang daming aso. Kahit ako talaga ako sa aso. Ayun, I've gotten to know her family, sila, tito, tita, yung siblings niya. Tapos, lagi silang warm and welcoming every time pumunta ako doon. Sa Iro naman, honestly, I've known of you before ka pa ikwento ni Herzel. Kasi may friend ako na crush ka dati. Sorry ko na lang sasabihin kung sino siya. Kasi ayun. Pero I can't say na I never expected you to be together kasi you have a lot in common. Same course sa college, same religion, tapos same vibes din kayo, honestly. But I am pleasantly surprised that you ended up marrying each other. The path you took to get here may not have been a smooth and even road, but I am proud of the both of you for pushing through. And now, nandito na kayo. Ayun. Herzel, we've known each other for a long time, and I can say na you're one of the most steadfast people I know. And just like Tita, your spouse is infinitely blessed to have a partner like you. Tapos si Aaron, please continue being a safe space for her. And I formally welcome you sa circle namin as +1 Herzel. Ayun, I pray for continued happiness and blessings as you embark on this new adventure. May the Lord bless you and keep you, make His face shine upon you, and be gracious to you. May He turn His face towards you and bring you peace. Congratulations.
Messages, sobrang, I don't know, hindi kasi kami ganun ka showy ng love, ng appreciation. So, we want to take this moment to show our appreciation to everyone who came to our wedding. Especially nung naririnig ko yung mga messages sa friends ni Herzel, sa family, to my sibling, wala lang, nakaka-good vibes. Ano pa ba? I hope you enjoyed this day. If you need any help, if you need any advice, especially dito lang kayo, we're here. And here's Herzel.
Ayun, sobrang touched kami sa lahat ng well wishes and congratulations and the kindest words. Ganun pala kami sa mata niyo. Salamat. Yung presence niyo pa lang, sobrang thankful na kami kasi marinig pa namin yun. Lahat ng advice, tatatakin sa amin. Yes, we were 10 years na, pero wala pa parang 1 year na or sobrang ang dami pa namin matututunan sa isa't isa. Ang dami pa. We have our whole lives ahead of us and ang wish lang din namin na beyond this, makasama pa rin namin kayo. We remain connected. At laging nandyan kami para sa inyo at sana ganoon din kayo para sa amin. Kayo rin naman ang magiging sandalan namin at sana haba-haba pa talaga ang ating pagsasama lahat tayo. We wish you all the best of health, the safest travel home. At yun lang. Thank you so much.